On calminama so tawi ka ko do tinno wad abonné bada activer cloche pour ce vidéo keso ari mbawa tinde bada j'aime woto jejjite wadde partager bandiraɓe.
Bismillah mon e nder Pular English. You welcome in Pular English. Assalamu alaikum. Lesson meɗon hande ko jangude was aware. Was aware ko passé verb to be. Verb to be mbiɗen woni wonde. Last night. Now. Last night, ça veut dire hangi jamma. Now, juni. Now, Hamidu is at work. Osaha Hamidu nato golle. Hamidu nanato golle. Now Hamidu is at work. At midnight last night, he wasn't at work. At midnight, saha minuit last night, jamma jawtuɗo walla hanki jamma, he wasn't o wonano at work to golle. Bimana o golloyano. At midnight last night, minuit hanki jamma, he wasn't at work o wonano to golle. He was in bed o wonno ko e dow mbaldi. He was in bed o wonno ko e dow mbaldi. He was asleep ko o ɗantorinoɗo. He was asleep ko o ɗantorinoɗo. Is mbiɗen ko present. Was kanyum ko past. Is ko was lomtiɗi so tawi kutortoɗa ko passé o. Past o woni passé. Example. Sa wi I'm tired. Jiɗɗa wattude ɗum passé. I'm tired firti ko mbeɗe tampi. Jonnon sa yiɗi wattude ɗum passé ko was o kutortoɗa. Gittata ko amo. Batta I was tired last night. Mbeɗe tampuno hanki jamma. I was tired last night. Where is Ali? To Ali woni? Where was Ali yesterday?
Holto Ali wonno hanki. The weather is good today. Weyngo eni moƴƴi hande. The weather was good last week. Weyngo eni moƴƴino, ça veut dire weyngo ene wanno fayida e yontere yawtunde nde.
Affirmative, negative, interrogative. Affirmative o wi I was, he was, she was, it was, we were, you were, they were. Affirmative ko hunde nde ganduɗa wande affirme. I was Ngonnaami. Ayi, ɗum woni affirmative. Ngonnomi. Negative o I was not, mi wonano. Joni jokken negative o. I was not, he was not, she was not, it was not. Was not o sa yiɗi hutorade short woni raɓɓikinade biyata ko wasn't. ɗo ponnoɗa wiide I was not o goppa ɗum lomtina ɗon I wasn't ha yetto it. We were not, you were not, they were not. ɗoni sa yiɗi hutorade should raɓɓikinade nde kutortoɗa ko weren't. We weren't ha yetto they. Interrogative. Was I, was he, was she, was it, were we, were you, were they. Ayi, interrogative o ko namdal ko sa yiɗi namdade ko yawti. To group ayo gardinta ko was, group we o gardinta ko were. Affirmative. I was tired last night. Bede tampuno hanki jam. Negative. They weren't here last Monday. Ɓe ngonano ɗo altine jawtuɗo. Interrogative. Where was Fatim last night? Holto Fatim wonno hanki jam. I was tired last night. They weren't here last Monday. Where was Fatim last night? On jarama no fewi e jebgol bandiraɓe oɗon jejjite wadde partager abonné aimé so wonko jiɗɗa namdade waɗ commentaire yo en jewdir ñanonde bye.